Welcome back. So I'm in the middle of a trade at the moment for a buy here at this level. So I'm on micro gold. I have one contract on both my accounts. Um, so yeah, so I'm in here. So this is why I took the trade. This was the low. I believe this was Asia low. Um, uh, low over here for New York session. So let me put a little stone here. All right. So I'm in this trade, right? So it tanked here. This is the high. Made that M pattern, which I saw coming, and I still was waiting for buys here. So I had buys here at this level, here. What I didn't know, I've been trading gold for probably about a month and a half, and this is the first time I've seen it make a move like this right here, and then immediately within a day and a half come and do this. Honestly, my first time, so I'm still fully new trading gold. Usually, this is something MQ would do so quickly. Every time it's made like maybe a few 30, 20 to 30 point retracement, like you see here, you see here. Um, it just continues. It's been such on a bull tear. It's been just going up. I mean, look at these retracements here, right? Like, it just keeps going up. So I wasn't expecting anything like this. So it caught me off guard. I lost a lot of money. Um, I even lost one of my funded accounts, because of it. And not because I actually took like a huge loss. I lost my funded account because of I forgot that I took the money out. I didn't have enough of a buffer. And so when I went negative, it I literally only went negative like 200 and $300. I didn't have a big buffer at all when I got a payout. And so, yeah. So that was my experience with that. And so here I am. I got two accounts. I'm gonna get these funded. My goal is to have it funded by Wednesday next week, which I believe is the 29th of October. Uh, yeah, I like to get these accounts funded rather quickly. So right now the market is not open. But yeah, I took a pre-market buy because this level, and I lost money last night because I took a buy up here, right? Fell asleep and my stop loss was actually kind of where I took a buy today at. Um, and it hit it. And I actually apparently I thought it would go higher up close back to this level here where I have this box. It's a fair value gap right here. Let me show you. So I thought it was gonna come here. It didn't come there. And so it came here and they want to test this previous high from a few weeks ago over here. A few days ago. So it stayed traded under here, which tells me that it may still want to come down. Um, so which is okay. What I'm hoping today is that it tests this again, or gets close enough to it. I make some money, and I could be out of the trade. Um, being that if it starts trading under here, then what I'm thinking is it's going to what we're going to see is start trading some lows, start consolidating in that area, a nice little range. Because one thing about gold has been such a tear, it has not too many areas where your consolidation is all down here, but this is from the summertime. So since this is July, all when it took off, it's just been pretty going up. It's not a lot of areas of consolidation. Now you have to look on the smaller time frames probably, but I'm only on the hour, so it's not as if I'm on a day and you can't see it. It's not a lot of areas of consolidation here and stuff. So I do think that it's going to try to push up because it rejected pretty well here, came up, and then came back to the low. Didn't make a lower low, so that's a good thing, which tells me that it does want to go up at some point today. So I took the buy here pre-market so I can get in at a certain point. We're gonna see. I'm not trying to hold it. I make my money back, break even. That's fine with me too. You don't want to chase trades, uh, but that's why I took the trade. This resistance here is support level. I mean, excuse me, this support level here, and it didn't touch this previous low here. So no. So market isn't quite open yet. We just want to see, but I want to see some momentum, some volatility, to push the market up. Um, let's see. It does look like it wants to. I like this candle on the hour so far. So let's see what it does. Um, Other than that, I know I've been going. I haven't done a video like in a week and a half, so I know I gotta pump out some videos for you and put some content out for you guys. Uh, I've been really busy, but no excuses. I need to put up some content though. I want to see uh, some movement here though when the market opens. Market opens. Where's the time? Let's see. Uh, about 10 minutes. So let's see. We're just waiting. Oh, yeah, so it traded up until this where this elbow is at as well. So it's something you gotta consider. Yeah. So let's make a nice little pullback right now. We'll see. Yeah. Let's look at the bias. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hours bearish. But like I said, it's rejection here. Uh, close on above this uh, from October 8th. Shows me positive that may want to go up. But the fact that it's at this level also tells me that it's potentially may come down more. And so it maybe actually test this level at 39.63. So we'll just see. It's on the 4 hour chart. It looks bearish to be quite honest with you. Um, I know some people took it from here and sold it down here. So and then on the day, yeah, day's very bearish. But it's at this key level of where it was some type of sideways movement here, right? So that does tell me that Either you're gonna test this level at 36.93 and see if it breaks this to continue lower, or it's gonna continue up. So basically trade it into this though, which I'm thinking maybe want to makes it want to go up. So we'll see. We'll see. Uh, let's see. Just waiting at this moment. See when New York session officially starts. Let's see what the day is going to give us today. I'm gonna pause it for right now and I'll get back to y'all to see. So this is where we at. I was looking for it to break. If it breaks these wicks, it's going to go to up in here and straight into these wicks. But right now, it's playing right here where was some little sideways movement before. So we just looking for it to break this wick, break this level here, to see what it will do. So that's what I'm waiting for now. I mean, that's just the reality. Uh, Patience. See, I got my stuff in profit, so seeing if it's gonna come all the way down. But I might not even let it get there. If I see it start breaking this level right here, this bottom of this week, I might just get out and whatever my profit is because there's no sense in only making $30 if I can make 100 and something just because I'm trying to wait it out, which is not happening. This might be a slow grind, intraday type of trade. Um, or it may try to reverse back to the downside to test one of these levels down here. So that's what I'm trying to wait for. Be very patient. Um, so it's tough. Definitely tough. Uh, Trading is a lot about timing and having the right entries, honestly. Like imagine me getting it like right here. You know what I'm saying? I had a decent entry. I wish I could have got it somewhere around here, around 40, 48, 449. Oh, that would have been great. I probably would have just took out because I probably would have been up like $500. So, all things considered, it's hard to not think he wants to come up here. In my opinion, maybe do trade it. It'd be nice if we traded in here. Oof, right there. That would be beautiful. Look at that on the 5 minute. Look at that. Let's see this. Look at these candles. These candles is telling me on the 5 minute that it wants to come down. Now it might trade in here and then pop. And that's why I want to see if it breaks this wick. But by the looks of it, we just gotta see. It already traded into this high on the 5 minute. So this is where you have to figure out like because it very well just want to come all the way back down at this point. Now it's up as much as like 350 something, but it looks like it wants to come all the way down. This is my baseline. If it breaks this wick, it's probably gonna come near my entry, which it makes no sense for me to keep the the trade. I mean, make what I can make. Right here, let me see. 907. Let's see. I mean, Q ain't doing nothing either. Yeah. Looks like it wants to break. Looks like it wants to break. You might say, well, why you just didn't take the profit up here, up here? Just because I wanted to see the trade. Sometimes you gotta see if you're right. Like I know taking easy, I still will make money. I don't see like it just right now. Just the momentum is not giving that right now. But it's more sellers in the market right this moment. Obviously, sellers do come into the market at this level. That's why you want to see a break at this level to see if a nice break here will indicate to me that right up in here, oh, right there, a break there, and then continuation will be nice. Yeah, yeah. It's not bouncing, it's not retracing. Yeah, yeah. So I made some of my money. It was some other account. Let me see what the at 9:10. Maybe I got that other one kind of soon. Nigga, some level of resistance. 1 more minute. See if this 5 minute. Yeah, see. All right, I made some of my money back. Um, see if it does. I'm gonna end this video here, make some of my money back. So not a lose-lose situation. All right.